Welcome back. This is just a really quick video to show you my favorite banana pulling tool. Right here. This is the Meadow Creature broadfork. I'm over at my friend Elizabeth's house and she asked me to help her move some bananas. And I said, this broadfork is absolutely the way to do it. You get the leverage underneath and then you can pull them and divide them really easily. These are a very, very tiny variety of banana. I think they're truly tiny. That's the name. I'm not just making that up. They're truly tiny. Yeah, and this one here is called a medium medium. And then there's a largy large over on the other side. No, this is a Cavendish right here, but this is the dwarf Cavendish. There's a tall one and there's the regular dwarf. But look, even these big bananas, you get a little bit underneath it. I'm sure Margot over at Meadow Creature never imagined, you know, they're up in New England somewhere, I think. Never imagined the tropical uses for the Meadow Creature broadfork. See, you can get underneath a clump of bananas and pull the whole giant corm out, and then it's really easy to just divide it up. There we go. So I just wanted to show you that really quickly. It's one of those cool things that I discovered when I was down in the tropics, and since I was out here I thought, you know what, I'll just grab the camera and shoot it so you guys can see this nice clump removing tool. Anyhow, I'll catch you all later. I got some more videos coming, and until then, may your thumbs always be green.